Complete words with missing sounds. Look at these 6 pictures and 6 words. You are going to complete them with the missing sounds. First, let's revise all together the sounds. E, A, oi, ow, and I. Okay? Now I'm going to say the words. Listen to me carefully and choose the correct sound. Okay? Number 1, we have noise. Noise. 2, fries. Fries. 3, rain. Rain. 4, tree. Tree. 5, bird. Bird. 6, we have clown. Clown. Okay, grade 2. Now we are going to revise the sounds first, then complete with the missing sounds. A, oi, I, ow, o, Okay, number 1, toys. Toys. Number 2, dinosaur. Dinosaur. 3, mouse. Mouse. 4, dinner. Dinner. 5, fly. Fly. 6, play. Play. Now let's revise all together these different sounds. First we have O, A, or, I, E, O. Okay, number 1, hide. Hide. Number 2, leaf. Leaf. 3, robe. Robe. 4, fort. Fort. 5, toast. Toast. 6, bake. Bake. Okay, now let's revise also first the sound, then you are going to complete word with the missing sound. First we have F, then we have O, I, O. Okay, number 1, close. Close. Number 2, rainbow. Rainbow. 3, nurse. Nurse. 4, phone. Phone. 6, light. Light.